Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a year, I think, or longer or shorter since my last video. I'm sorry for that. I had enough time. Let's just put it that way in short. But anyways, I'm back with a Shein haul. As you guys can see by the title, I'm really excited for this video. I have been wanting to buy from Shein for a few months now. So yeah, I'm excited that I was actually finally able to buy from them because once again, lockdown was just a mess, and Shein actually had this long period where their shipping was excessively expensive, or you had to buy like 3,700 rands worth of clothes to have free shipping, and if you didn't buy 3,700 rands worth of clothes, then you would pay like 400 rand shipping, and I didn't know whether that would cover customs or not, and I don't think it would have anyways. So I decided to buy from them now because they actually have free shipping for orders above 1,050 rand, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think it's 1,050 rand, then your shipping is free. So that was great because it literally went down from 3,700 rand for free shipping to 1,050 rand, which I think was a bargain. I literally, within that week that I saw, why do I have a pen in my hand? Anyways, within the week that I saw that they decreased it to that, I was like, yes, I'm gonna buy now because I don't know if they're gonna increase it again. Let me just get into the logistics of my purchase and then we can do the try on. I'm actually so excited because the stuff that I bought from them. Anyways, okay, so I ordered on the 3rd of February 2021. Yes, I ordered on the 3rd of February, and they did give me a kind of warning message that it might take longer for my package to come because of the fact that it was Chinese New Year somewhere in the beginning of February. So obviously it would have then taken a little bit longer. So they actually mentioned that before why am I so out of breath? Anyways, I ordered on the 3rd of Feb. On the 15th of Feb, after a few flight delays, which I could see on the app obviously because you can track everything, it arrived in Johannesburg, so on the 15th, and then from the 15th to the 26th I had to liaise with Buffalo International, was the company that was going to deliver to me, or who dealt with the order, I don't know. Yeah, I had to liaise with them back and forth for customs and all of those things. So I only got my package on the 26th. So that is about 23 days from the 3rd of February to the 26th of Feb, obviously, which I think is really not that bad because, yeah, like you guys know, in my previous video, I waited about 3 months, but that was because of lockdown and the post office being closed and all of those things. So that is why I waited so long for my previous package or order. But this time around, it actually came really quickly. I think it would have been quicker. It would have been in South Africa quicker if it wasn't for the Chinese holiday that they had in between my order period. Also, I wanted to make a disclaimer because I have a lot of people asking me about Shein and whether or not they are legit and whether or not people, if they should buy from them or if they should trust them. I personally trust Shein. This is only my 2nd time I've ordered from them, but I personally trust them. But now I'm not saying that if something goes wrong with you guys, or if you do decide to purchase from them based on my experience and it goes south, that you need to come to me and claim for damages, because I can't I can't pay for anyone's damages. But I'm saying that my experience was good, so you can take that as you'd like. But just a disclaimer, I'm not telling you to buy from them. I'm not saying that they are a great company, because things happen. People don't get their packages sometimes things happen. So I'm not taking any responsibility for something that could potentially happen to your package if you do buy from them. But from my experience, I enjoy purchasing from them. So the total value of my package was 1,439 rand, but that was after after a discount that I got of 20%, I think, or 15%. Because the app has nice little discounts, especially if you like buy there frequently, you get more discounts. And yeah, so it was actually very nice. So it was initially, I think my package was, or my order was 1,600 rand odd, and then I got like a little bit off, so that it was 1,400 rand. And then once my package got into Cape Town, I got a phone call from Buffalo International, and then obviously I had to pay customs, which is another subject that I want to just touch on. But I had to pay customs. My customs was 302 rand, so in total I paid about 1,700 rand odd. I just wanted to explain to you guys about customs and how customs work. So I have a degree in finance, or in accounting if you really want to be specific, so I kind of know the gist of it. I don't know what actually happens behind the scenes, because there could be other things involved in customs, but I've been seeing a lot of speculation and a lot of TikTok conspiracies on Shein and South African customs and how it works, and people are saying that if you didn't pay shipping, then your customs will be your shipping amount. No, that's not how customs work. Customs is a tax, so customs, I don't want to be that girl. Let's just say it's a percentage of your imported goods value, and it is worked out depending on obviously how much you paid for your imported goods. So it has nothing to do with whether or not you paid shipping. And yeah, that is basically how customs work. But okay, that is just a very short breakdown of customs. It's very easy to research customs and how it works. It's really not that difficult. Anyways, let's get into the video. I'm so excited. The first items that I got was these cases. I don't know if you guys can see. So this is how the phone case looks. It's like a cute little marble detail. Don't know if you guys can see that. Cute marble vibes for your phone. The next one that I got is also a marble, but it's like a brownie marble marble vibe. So that's how that one looks. Also super cute. So this one was 30 rand and this one was 27 rand. Super cheap. Love these, love the quality, very nice quality. I feel like I can use them for a while, and they are cute, so of course I will be using those. Then next up I got these necklaces. They are like dragon necklaces. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me try and bring closer rings. That's how they look. Actually super cool, super nice quality as well. So yeah, I'm really excited about these. I've been into like very chunky type-esque necklaces, so I'm very much excited and happy with these. The quality feels so nice. This actually feels like Lovisa quality for those who purchase at Lovisa. Quality is very nice, and this was only 61 rand, so a bargain, definitely a bargain. So the first item that I got was this cute little top. I got this in a size small, and this top was 145 rand, which is really not that bad. So yes, I'm gonna try on this top for you guys. You see this? I love this top. I absolutely love this top. This top actually comes all the way down to my wrist, so that's great. Very cute. I love it. Next item. This is like a baseball-esque type shirt vibe. I don't know, yeah. But it says California on it. So cool. This top cost 242 rand, which is really not that bad. So I like this. I am still in the middle of like liking baggy clothes or not, but I think this is kind of cool. This is like a nice like street style type of vibe if you really want to go for such a vibe. This is a small, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So it is a bit big, or it is like big, so don't order like a large if you want it to sit baggy. So yeah, I actually kind of like this. Kind of think it's really fun and fresh. Okay, so the next item that I got is this t-shirt, and it basically says nothing on it. This is kind of cool. It's a nice top for just to like, if you want to go run some errands or something and you want to look a bit cool. Thought this was a nice top to have. So let's fit it on and see how it looks. I like it. I like the top. I like the bagginess of it. I like how big it is and how like it's so big it is. I like how big this is. Like, I like how baggy it is and very like chilled, and you know, you can go out to the shop with this, like I said. So yeah, I really don't have anything bad to say about this. The quality, once again, very nice quality, nice shirt. You can get this at Mr. Price. They will probably charge you 200 Rand for a shirt like this, so it is a bargain. So I really like this top. The last top that we have is also another t-shirt. Wow. So it's another t-shirt, and this one says Los Angeles. So another t-shirt. What is up with the t-shirts today? Another t-shirt that you can wear out and lounging. You can even dress it up with some heels and a nice tracksuit pants. But let's see how it fits first before we get carried away. I actually really like this one. I like it. I like the color because it can go nice with like a little biker's shorts, like tight sort of vibe with tackies and nice socks. I think this is a very cute one. This is also a small. You would literally get this at factory for 350 Rand. I'm not even kidding. Go look at factory. You will find it there. Same shirt, similar shirt for 350 Rand. You can get it for less than half at Shein. So I really like this one. Really cool, really chilled vibes. So it's a yes from me. Then I bought two pants. So the first one that I bought, actually I bought the pants because I wanted to see how the sizing would be. Like, I wanted to see whether or not a medium would fit me, or whether or not a small would fit me, or whether none of them would fit me, and I would actually have to decide that. So I decided to just buy one or two out of each type of like pants that you can buy, and see whether or not it will fit me in the size that I bought. So this is a jeans that I bought. I'm so excited. I bought this in size medium. The only thing about this that I know I'm going to be sad about is the fact that I have long legs, and I know it is not going to go right down to the bottom. It's definitely going to give me a little bit of don't touch my ankles but touch my knees vibes, but it's fine. We move. We'll make it work somehow. So I like the fit. I like how these pants are sitting on me. I hope you guys can see how it looks. Yeah, like I said, it is definitely don't touch my ankles, touch my knee situation, but it's fine. I think I can make it work. But I think this is it's a good bar. Then, I don't know if you guys can see me. I'm not going to move the camera again because I'm too lazy. I bought this black flare pants, which I am obsessed with. Don't know if you guys can see, but I bought these black flare pants. Also, I wanted to say this is that typical Emma Chamberlain type pants, you know, the Emma Chamberlain, if you like follow her or watch her, it's the pants with a crew neck type vibe. Very much in style, in fashion right now, so giving me very much Emma Chamberlain vibes. Anyways, let's put it on. It is a little bit see-through, not gonna lie, so obviously wear like tights under these, or I don't know, wear something black under this. The flare goes up until don't look at my toes, oh my gosh, the flare is actually right to the end, so I like it. It's very cute. It's just a little bit see-through, but it's fine. I think I can deal with that. But I like it. So the next item that I bought was this little bag. I don't know if you guys have seen, but these bags are in fashion, like the little furry ones. I think this is such a little cute bag. This was 73 rand, so very much cheapy, very much not expensive vibes. Very standard on the inside. There's no pockets, no nothing. The zip is also very cute, so yeah, this is a very nice little bag for if I just want to quickly run to Pick n Pay with a fur bag. Imagine. No, I might just do it. I will do it. I will do it. Anyways, very cute bag. I think this is very nice. Very nice vibes. Like it. The next bag! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited! This is so cute. Oh my god. It's so cute. You can't tell me. You can't tell me this is not the cutest little bag that you've seen in your life. This is so cute. Look at the little chain that's on there. I love this bag. We'll definitely be wearing this on my Instagram very much soon vibes. Love it. The next bag gave me very much Prada vibes. If you know, you know. You know exactly what bag I'm talking about. It's giving you the look, the London look. Do you get the vibe? It's giving me street style. I really like it. It has the little pouchy, so for extras. And then it has obviously the main part of the bag, which really like this. Is there anything else in the bag? Why does it feel so thick? Oh, then it also comes with it comes with a chain. Wow. Next level things. Hold on. I don't even know if the chain has to go on here. I'm not sure. I think it does. I'm not sure. Anyways, cute vibes. Really like this bag. Super cool. Very much Prada dupe vibes. Then I got sunnies, but these are not like sunglasses that you wear, like, you know, these are fashion sunnies. Sorry, I sneezed now, that's why I'm sniffing. But I'm actually very impressed that it came in like its own little pouch thing. Very nice pouch, and it has this thingy that you clean your glasses with as well. But anyways, really impressed with how it was shipped. I really like that. But these, you know, oh, these give me 90s J-Lo vibes. The vibes. You'll see. Don't even play. Do you? I don't think you see this. Do you see this? Do you see this? I am obsessed. The quality of these glasses are immaculate. This is so good. The quality, just look at this. Can you see? I hope you can see. So good. Looks really nice. I am obsessed. Anyways, so yes guys, that is my Shein haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. I definitely enjoyed it. I literally loved each and every single product that I bought from them. Maybe a few mishaps here and there. Like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hopefully I'll be a bit more consistent. But anyways, thank you.